Welcome to my review channel. AI Self-Drive is amazing product, high APC, great conversion. It is new AI fusion technology merges different cloud storage like Google Drive, OneDrive, Cloud, DropBox, Amazon S3, Box, Go Files to make ultimate limitless cloud storage portal, totally free for life. Embrace the future of cloud storage to create your own multi-cloud storage and management platform with zero dependency on expensive third-party cloud storage platforms. For ALO 1 time PRICE world's first multi-cloud management platform to combine all your clouds into one, transfer and sync files between different cloud drives easily. Enable you to manage all cloud storage from one single platform. Merge terabytes of storages from clouds. Find files including the same file name on different clouds on a single list and manage the files with 100% precision. Create your own self-controlled cloud storage with no dependency on third parties. Easily copy, move or migrate your files from one cloud to another from a single dashboard. Stop paying huge money monthly to big cloud storage platforms like OneDrive, iCloud, Dropbox, Google Drive. Get more online storage space without paying single penny extra. Never face any risk of losing valuable business files and data. Never worry about migrating your data from one cloud to another without downloading it. Get rid of storage blocks and limitations of size. Utilize free storage plans to host all your files. Friends, if you can buy the product, please check this video description. Thank you for watching my video.